Walking to the moon. What's up guys, and welcome back. And now that you know the news, this is gonna be the second video that you're gonna watch, where today is our actually very first OBGYN appointment. So Tanya and I are ready. Time is almost, it's gonna be like 2ish. Our appointment is in 30 minutes. So we are heading out, and I know this is a little backdated video, but we are so excited to share with you guys our journey going forward. So anyways, she's quickly using the restroom. We are ready. Marvel is sitting over here. Marvel, mommy and daddy are gonna go to the doctor appointment, and we'll be back soon. Okay? You be a good boy at home. Alright? Like I said, this is our very first appointment. There she is, ready as well, mama to be. And we are super duper excited. So we don't know what's gonna happen. As anxious as every first time parents. So we'll find out. We may not be able to take the camera inside, but like I said, we're gonna come and brief you, give you baby updates. Yes. So let's head out. So I know I look a little bit human being right now because I put on a makeup, and if I remove my makeup, I look super tired. But anyways, we are on the road. I have my snacks here, which I don't go anywhere without nowadays because you know how it is, and water, and that's it. We'll be reaching in another 15 minutes. It's like just 15 minutes from our place, so it's very close by, and very excited. So we have checked in and we are waiting. We got this thing that we need to do, and we are waiting for the doctor to call us. Yeah. Alright, how are you feeling?
Very nervous because I think they're gonna do the ultrasound. So
her BP and everything just came out perfect.
Yes.
So we are waiting for the doctor to come in. She was literally trying to press the star instead of the button for it to go on the first floor. Her pregnancy brain is kicking in. Version update. Everything is super healthy. We are super excited. We finally got to see our baby and listen to his or her heartbeat for the very first time. I'm not gonna lie, I got a little drop of tear, but it was super cool.
yeah.
Wait, which side? Oh, okay. So we are heading back now. We are done with our appointment. We'll talk more later. Taking a quick stop at Starbucks because Mama Tubi is hungry, and she is picking up a Danish, and she is actually picking up some coffee and a very low and a coffee for me as well. So I'm waiting outside in the car. We stopped at Starbucks and got this drink. I got chocolate cookie creme frappuccino, and he got a cold brew coffee. I also got a chocolate croissant. So I was craving for cheese Danish, but they were out of it, but chocolate croissant works. So good. So we are now going to Target because Mama needs some fruits and some juice that doctor recommended to help with nausea and stuff. So we are gonna go pick up some groceries. What were you doing? Mommy and Daddy saw your baby brother or sister? Yes. Yes. He was dancing in Mommy's tummy. My goodness. What were you doing at home? What were you doing at home? You want a treat? Sit. Alright guys, so we are home and we picked up everything that she wanted to get. We got some grape juice, we got some tangerines, we got some popsicles. These are all the things the doctor said will help her with the nausea and the throwing up stuff, morning sickness and stuff. So now she has her own box of saltines and 10 types of crackers right by her side. So I'm like, yeah.
And we got this whole file
from
the doctors today.
So to brief you guys, it's everything looks super healthy, everything looks super good. The measurements were what they should be at her. She is at 9 weeks and 4 days. So everything is super cool, super good. So we are happy. We were super happy to see the baby moving around a lot, basically. And we are gonna post a picture of our ultrasound here, right so you guys can check it out. And we have our next appointment in 2 to 3 weeks. So now you'll be able to share our pregnancy journey. And I say our, but technically it is hers.
Still it's ours.
But it's our. I mean, I'm getting sympathy pains and whatnot. But anyways,
sympathy cravings.
Yes.
Pregnancy
so.
cravings.
Yes, we are super excited. We were holding this back and it was super hard to not let you guys know, but now that we have revealed the information, we are super excited to share all the journey, like how everything, and we're gonna give you baby updates all the time. So stay tuned for everything. So well, that was our very first OBGYN appointment. Please stay connected to see more stories and more live updates. Do follow us on our Instagram account. And
all moms out there, please, any tips, any advice, I welcome. Leave them in the comment section. It'll be very helpful for me because it's my first time.
So anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and we definitely hope that you stick along for our amazing journey. And we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye.